Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to draw a simple braid hair in 3 easy steps and just make it more realistic and do shading at the end. For the beginning I am just drawing a center line and then draw 2 lines in each side, which is narrow at the bottom, and then I start to make zigzag in the middle. And then I am showing you a common mistake in here, so let's see what's going to happen. So my dots are a bit far away from each other, and if we follow this we will get the only a few braids, like maybe 4 or 3. Then we need to rub it off because your dots need to be more closer to each other to get some more volume and more let's say more layers on your hair. So I rubbed it off, and then I am going to do the dots more closer to each other, maybe about 1.5 centimeter apart. So you see how better does it look. So that's your structure, and that changes everything if you don't do it correct at the beginning. So the first step was that, and I'm gonna keep it like that till the end of the video. I am going to do the everything for the second one now, all the zigzags and lines that we did, and these are the dots, and I am trying to make a curve from corner lines to the center. So this is very important to follow the shape and do not make it very sharp because hair is always soft and is curved, so don't make it sharp and stiff. Let's say just be very soft with your hand. You see the way that I am trying to make the curve. If you haven't watched the previous video, I think that is very helpful as well. And in that video, I show you how to draw fishtail braid hair. So that's a good one as well. Maybe you can watch that as well, even before this or after watching this video. And now I'm just trying to make this shape. So here it is. And now the base shape is ready, and then we are going to do everything for the last part, including shading. Now this is my favorite time, and it's time to make shading. I am using my pencil which is sharpened before, and the pencil I'm using is B, but you can use any other pencil which is dark enough if you have around you. And I am trying to just do the shading with some lines from the center to the sides and from sides to the center, but leaving the middle part blank for now. And just try to follow the shape of the braid with your shading and your lines. Try to not make it straight, and always follow the shape. Okay, so now the first part of shading is nearly done, and so it is good now, but it's not perfect. So now it is time to make perfection. I do detail as well, and then let's use my favorite tool, which is blending stump. So I try to blend the darkness and lights together very smoothly. I still following the shape. As you see, I am just going toward the lines and trying to make it more smooth and not having any sharp lines, or just make it more realistic. And I am trying to make a nice contrast between the light and dark areas. Do not go very hard and try to be very smooth and no pressure on your hand. Just try to very smoothly blend these colors together. Especially on the corners where it's more dark, just try to make it more smooth because it's hair and it needs to look 3D, and also like you need to show the depth as well. Wow, you see the magic? This tool changes everything. I really love it. If you have it in any size, you can easily use it. Um, Even if you don't, you can still make the shading with your pencil, but that makes it easier and it's very lovely. If you are a beginner, definitely I suggest to use that. So now it is time to do a few more lines because like also it needs to be smooth, but still we need some lines and we need to show it this is hair and which is braided, and I am trying to make this stroke a little bit darker, and later I do a few lines on the braid as well, which presents the hair. Now this is the last part, and I am just trying to show a few loose hair which are a bit let's say naughty, and they are flying out of the hair. um yeah, that just helps to make it more realistic. You don't need to do very much, just a few is enough. Wherever you think it's needed, imagine it's your own hair and you have braid your hair. um yeah, if you are braided and there are always a few annoying hair coming out from somewhere they shouldn't. So these are that hairs which I am trying to show now. Guys, this is nearly the end of the video. I really hope you found it useful and learned something new today. If you have any suggestion for the next video, please let me know in the comments. I would really appreciate it. Well, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and do not miss my futures video. Thank you and bye.